channel Technique. So today we are going to do a quick tutorial on Android Studio and how to download it, as you can see in the title. So now we are just going to download Android Studio in this video in Windows. So you can ask like why Android Studio suddenly. It's just because I'm going to do an amazing app after we download Android Studio, and I teach you about Android Studio, and we'll be doing like amazing apps with Android Studio. And so all you need to do is just go to your browser and go to this website developer.android. I'll leave a link in the description. You can go to that website and then you can just click download Android Studio. For me it's already downloading, so it's gonna finish. And before that, let me say about Android Studio. Android Studio is like a simple IDE platform for creating apps and simple games, and you can use Java and Kotlin language in that. And Android Studio is not it's a very heavy software, so you need a high RAM. And now we are in the setup of Android Studio. Click next. You can just you don't need an Android virtual device, and you can select where you want to save this Android Studio file and click on next. And you don't need just click install, don't do anything, and then it's going to install. And so now the download is completed. I can click next, and then you will have something like this. Click finish. You can just check on that start Android Studio and then click finish. Now the Android Studio is going to start. You just put do not import settings. Just click on do not import settings and you'll get the initializing screen. So this version of Android Studio is 4.1.2, as you can see over here. You can just put don't send, and then you'll get this. After this you can just click next. You can click on standard, and then if you want light, if you want a light theme, you can click on light. I want a dark theme, so I'm going to click on dark. And it's going to ask you to download the Android Sdk. Just check on this for Android Sdk 371 MB, API 30, performance, and Android virtual device. Click on next, and it's going to ask you it's going to show you what are you going to download, and just click on finish. And now everything is going to get downloaded. Let's wait until it finishes downloading.
2,000 years later.
So after the downloads, you're going to have something like this, Android Studio version 4.1.2, and you have create project, open an existing project, and all that. If you click on create project, it will create a new project, but we are not going to do that now. You have to wait until tomorrow for the next video. And of course, thank you for watching this video. And if you like this video, share it to your friend, and of course like this video, and comment down below if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel. And of course, bye bye, see you tomorrow on the next Android Studio tutorial.